Today's video is going to be simple and sweet. We're just going to go over a silicone roof project that we did in Irvine, California. Join me. First things first. As you can see, the roof is in not terrible condition, but not the best condition either. But it makes it a perfect candidate for a silicone coating. So the first step in the process is to power wash all the debris and other items that may be on the flat roof. After we power wash the roof, we're going to make small repairs and do touch-ups to the roof. This is the essential piece right before we do the coating. After the repairs are done, we're going to apply one coat of primer just before we do the silicone coating itself. After 24 hours has passed, we're going to apply the final coat. This is the last step to a silicone coating project. As promised, the video was short and sweet. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to show you what silicone products we used on this particular project. That's all I have for this week. Join me next week for another video. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. See you next time, and take care.